Dippy the diplodocus is playing near the forest. His friend Trixie approaches, out of breath.
Dippy, have you seen Buzzy? We were playing chase, but I lost him in the trees. No, I haven't seen him. Let's go look for him together.
The friends search through the trees, calling for Buzzy. Suddenly, they hear a buzzing noise above them.
Hang on, Buzzy, we'll get you down. But how?
A monkey named Swingy is swinging through the trees and overhears. He swings down to help.
Looks like you all could use a hand. Leave this to an expert tree climber.
Swingy effortlessly climbs up and untangles Buzzy.
Thank you for saving me. You're welcome. Just be careful not to go too high in trees you aren't used to.
A rustling is heard in the bushes. Out pops a curious baby panda.
What's going on over here? Can I play too? Watch me fly through the forest at top speed. Whee!
As Buzzy zooms by, some leaves and pollen get stuck in Cuddles' thick fur. He starts sneezing uncontrollably.
Toe. Something in my coat is making me sneeze.
Trixie uses her tiny arms to brush out the leaves and pollen from Cuddles' fur. But it just makes the problem worse.
Oops, maybe I'm not much help with my little arms. Luckily, I always bring my first aid kit when exploring the forest. Here, Cuddles, eat this honey. It will soothe your sniffles. Thank you, my friend. I'm feeling much better now. No problem. Remember, always take the first aid kit with you when you are in the forest.